DIY week this week. Good morning. It's a brand new week. Not a lot of news going on this week, so it should be just quite a straightforward trading week. I've got quite a heavy DIY week this week. I've got lots planned going on, sort of DIY-ish. Just bits to do around the house. Bit of red week last week, so yeah, hopefully it's a green week this week. Yeah, looking forward to it.
4 hours later.
On today's agenda, I've got a fun little project to be doing. Well, fun for me. It's going to involve some filler and some patience. First of all, I've got to prep the work area. So basically, we ordered this lamp a week or so ago, and it arrived damaged, split into about 7 pieces. Emailed the supplier, got a refund, so happy days. But we thought, as we've got a refund, why not try and glue it back together, and we can get a free lamp. So a few days ago, me and my wife spent about 2 hours trying to glue it back together, which I think we've basically done. Feels pretty secure. So this morning my job is to sand down the bits of glue that are hanging out, and then I bought some filler off Amazon, and I'm gonna fill these holes, let that dry, sand it down, and then yeah, hopefully we have a relatively decent looking lamp that doesn't look broken for free. So now comes the hard part of actually filling the holes. I don't know how great it will look, but that's what I'm using anyway. Specifically for concrete and masonry and stuff like that, which is, I think this is concrete. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, that's all done. Filled in as best I can. It'll need a few hours before it's dry enough to sand down. I'll probably wait until tomorrow now to do that, because I'll be trading soon. So yeah, we'll catch up with us tomorrow. Right, it's Monday. Markets have just opened, and I am looking for shorts. Got a big range from Asia overnight, 180 points. That's my order put in. That's me entered. I've got my limit order set up to take half the trade off at 1-to-1. Then my runner I've got set at the Asia low at the minute. Today's its first day profit hit. Stop loss to break even. All risk is taken off. Yeah, I think I'm just going to leave my runner where it is. It's on the Asia low at the minute. Monday, there's not really any impactful news today. Hasn't been any impactful news today, so rather take the earliest possible exit if I can. And yeah, that'll still put me 300 up, over 300 up for the day, so I'll be happy with that. That's me stopped out. So small win for today, runner didn't play out. $75 up on each account. There's $225 overall 3 accounts. And yeah, happy with that. Not bad start for the week. Rather that than a red day, so yeah, not too bad for a Monday. Well, I'm gonna call it a day there then. I'm gonna go and have some dinner, and yeah, relax for the rest of the day. Yeah, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. I'm just at work. Got a big day planned today after I finish. I've got shelves to be putting up. I've got a security camera and like a Ring doorbell to be putting up. But not the actual Ring doorbell, fake Ring doorbell. It's a heavy DIY day today. It's been raining this morning, but I'm hoping it should ease up later, so should have a break in the rain to crack on and do it. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up here and then head on home. I'm going to be sat down reading instructions for this stuff, so I need a cup of tea. Right, next job. Got 2 shelves put up. I've got my wood. I just need to measure, cut to size, and then yeah, get them in place. Well, we're up, but this doesn't look too promising. Let's try and get some no nails or something in there, glue or something. Yeah, nice bit of storage up there, happy days. Markets has just opened. As it stands, I'm looking for shorts. Let's push up. Right, I'm switching to longs. Well, let's get a bit more of a pullback. Got to get an entry here. Well, that's the pullback I was after. The big candle though, let's see if we can get a reasonable stop loss, 30 point stop loss, not horrendous. So that puts me at 2 contracts. Where else am I ordering? Respected that EMA nicely. That's why I love using stop orders, because just sort of market ordering in there looks quite bullish, and then yeah, just avoids the sort of fake outs if you like. No trade for me then today. Spent most of the morning just chopping around. We have had a bit of a run, but nothing major. No entry for me. Yeah, I want to call it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. Just at work. So today, I have my new internet turning up. Well, my new router for my new internet. So I'll be setting that up when that arrives. And this new internet will hopefully allow me to start doing some live streams, which I'm excited about. I'm nervous about. It's way out of my comfort zone, but yeah, let's open that possibility up. Hopefully you guys are interested in seeing me do some live streams. If you are, do me a favour and go into the comments quick and just write live stream, and we'll just get an idea about who's watching all the way through. And yeah, you guys are the truest fans who are sitting there watching all the boring crap, not just the trades. Just write live stream in there, and then I'll know, and I'll come back to you. I'll know that you're watching all the way through. But I want to crack on with work anyway, and then head home. So yeah, I've got all the filler now sanded down. I don't think it looks too bad, to be fair. It's a bit patchy in places where I didn't quite pack enough in, but for a free lamp, I'm not too mad, to be honest. I think it's alright. Alright, it is Wednesday. Markets are just about to open. I'd be very tempted, or I am very tempted, to take this short setup here. Sort of perfect setup for me. The only thing that is missing is the time. Sometimes these play out at the open, but other times they don't. It's not really worth the risk. Probably more of like a 50-50 chance it's going to go my way. But I've had it before where I've done it, and you get the best entry you can, sort of thing, for the trend of the day. Yeah, that would be me entered. Yeah, that would have been take profit hit. Yeah, that would have been a nice quick win for the day, wouldn't it? 4 minutes into the trading day. Yeah, it doesn't look like I'm going to get an entry. bit frustrating when I had an entry, but the wrong time. Been 65 points up by now. But I'm going to call it a day there. We've moved down 230 points. I'm not going to get an entry now, and if I do, it's probably not going to be a good one. It's a shame. If I'd entered at the open like I wanted to, I'd have caught that entire move. But it's just not worth the risk for me. It can quite easily, my stop loss would have been here, opened here. It could have quite easily just popped up here and just stopped me out and then gone. So it's not worth the risk. But I'm going to go and make dinner and yeah, relax for the evening. But I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's Thursday today. It's been a bit of a boring week so far trading wise, so hopefully we can have a nice end to the week. I've not got a lot going on today. I think I'm gonna have a bit more of a chilled day. I'm gonna give the house a good clean, be able to crack on here and head on home. Good morning. So it's Friday, the end of the week is here. It's been a boring week this week for trading. I always feel quite bad if there's not been a lot of trading going on, because I think obviously it's not a lot for you guys to watch, but there's not really much I can do about it. So my setup hasn't been there, so it's a shame because there's been some big moves this week, but not one that I've been a part of. But it is what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna crack on and then head on home. Hopefully we can have a better day today. It is Friday, the end of the week is here. I do not like trading Fridays. It tends to be my worst day. We've already had quite a choppy morning, but I like the idea of being long. Yeah, the London session swept the Asia lows, so I like the idea of the US AM session being a long bias kind of day. We are opening up in that direction. Come on, don't go off without me today, please. I'd like to have some action this week. From a bias has changed to short. Or that's me entered. Other day is a take profit hit. Stop loss has moved to break even. All risk is now off the table. Now I just need to work out where I want my run at, because I haven't really thought about it yet. Yeah, I'll leave it there. It's Friday, so I'm about to be stopped out anyway. There you go, stopped out for my runner. Yeah, $73 up. I'm happy with that. Been a difficult week this week for me, but yeah, only 2 trading days, but both green, so cannot complain. Just the small wins. Overall 3 accounts then, that's $219 up. Yeah, for the week then, I am $444 up. It's not the best, but it's alright. I'm happy with that. Yeah, a bit of a slow month, but it's green, so I don't care. Alright, that's me all done for the week then. Hope you've enjoyed this video. But I'm going to spend the rest of the day, probably early tomorrow morning, getting this video sorted out and done. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week.